G'day guys, what's happening? My name is NatoPotato and today I woke up to 100 subscribers. Woo! That's what it felt like this morning. I just couldn't believe it. It was the best thing to wake up to, and I've got you guys to thank. I'm sorry I don't have a dancing video for you today, but here's a montage of me being a cat. First off, I want to thank all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying my channel. And thank you guys, thank you so much for all your support. I hope you stick around because I've got some really big plans coming. Really big plans. Alright guys, as always, stay safe and don't do anything I wouldn't do.